that's it, I'm off. Enough of this rest days. I'm going to say goodbye to Alan. This chap's from France. Alan, nice to see you.
You ready?
Good morning.
Good morning.
And au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. He was really nice, that chap. He's travelling with a youngish Czech Republic girl that he's bounced into on the road. Itka. She was still asleep. She went and walked the Kepler track yesterday. Wow, she's a tough cookie, is that little lass. Tell you, first time ever bike packing, she's just done the TA and she's keen for anything. I was chatting to her the other day and she's very keen. She wanted to go and do the Percy track, which is off-road route to get to Doubtful Sounds, but it's got a good bit of carry in it and fully kitted up. That sounds like torture, but she was up for it. Anyway, I'm leaving camp. Bye bye. The Lakeview Holiday Park at Te Anau. I'm on my way to Doubtful Sounds and to catch up with my good friend today. Nice. Te Anau. Lovely little town. Really been very nice to spend a bit of time up here. But I'm excited to get going again. I bet that's Kylie taking some more people out on the plane. They never stop, them ladies there, never stop. This is a beautiful little track, this. I remember riding it last year. And yeah, it's gorgeous. Good morning. I've only got about 25k to get to Manapouri from Te Anau. So it's only a little short day. I've got some accommodation booked there for the night before we get the ferries tomorrow across the lake, and that gets us to the other side where we've got the Wilmot Pass to ride over, camp again. That's a wild camp, and then we'll get the Doubtful Sounds boat cruise, come back, camp over the Wilmot Pass, and back to Manapouri over the lake. So nice couple of days coming up. Nothing too strenuous, although the Wilmot Pass is a pretty high hill, but about time I had to do a bit of work after all this leisure. Anyway, this is bloody gorgeous. That's the town of Te Anau over there, and this is the river defence system. The Kepler track. It's a very popular walk. So at the moment I'm here. Te Anau is just up the top, and we get a lovely little track all the way down here to Manapouri. How bloody fabulous! Only me. I am loving the new bag on the front. Wow, it's making it so convenient for drone work. Hello. Yeah, it's making it really convenient to get my drone in and out, whereas it was a bit of a faff last time. Whereas now it's right in front of me, you don't have to get off the bike or anything. And yeah, it's gonna give me just makes it easy. And it's well protected. I've put a few bits of sponge in between the drone and the controller, so it's well protected. It's the perfect size. So yes, goodbye Russell, goodbye.
bloody love it.
Ah, this must be where the jet boats go from. These guys obviously going out. Hello. Have a good trip.
Thank you, darling.
Darling, oh, I'm a darling. Very nice. He's not carrying his freaking house with him, is he? I was hoping I was going to get a nice descent there and sit on his tail and follow him. But instead, I can't really breathe. Beautiful. Although, I probably shouldn't be stuck on the edge of here. But there is a sign. I'm not one for reading signs, really. Nobody said there's going to be any bloody hills on this ride. I'm going to go and see what Rainbow Reach is. It's only down there. I'm only a few K away from Manapouri, so let's go and check it out. Nice. I haven't been on many big bridges on this trip yet. Take me more in the north. Awesome. Well, that was very cool, wasn't it? That's literally 5 minutes off this little track to the side there, so I'm glad I went and had a look. There's a good sign here. Enjoy the trail, please donate. Fiordlands Trail Trust. What a great way to keep all these things going, because spin you around. It's just a fantastic system. New Zealand has got such a fantastic system for riding your bike. And yeah, I'm going to scan that and I'm going to give a little bit back because it's given me so much. So thank you, New Zealand Trails. We love you. which is good. What are we on? 27 kilometres. Just a wee snippet of a lead. Bloody beautiful. That's all I'm going to say about that. Very nice. I've been told to go there for a coffee, the church. Very quirky, supposedly. I'm looking for a Manapouri sign, I haven't seen one. I always ride past a sign. No bloody Manapouri sign. Maybe I'm not in Manapouri. This might seem a little strange to you, but I'm going to have a cup of tea. I've got myself, let's put you down here. I got a cup of tea, a nice pot of tea. And although I've virtually stopped taking sugar, I'm going to have a sugar in it. Cheers. The wee bookshop. I think I've been told about this place as well.
How are you?
Hello sir, how are you?
Good.
This is Phil. Hello Phil.
All right. Hi guys.
Nice to meet you. And he's got a friend that lives in Kendal. Small bloody world, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Anyway, yeah, this is the story behind this. The story behind this, Phil.
Well, Ruth Shaw and her husband owned a business with a boat, and she was in the office, and she had a few shelves of books. When they sold the tourist business,
Yeah.
Ruth expanded the bookshop.
And she turned it into
and
this.
She came and slowly grown. It's like Topsy, she growed, as they say.
Look at this,
And
it's
then-
beautiful. And she's wrote, she's an author, yeah?
Her, yeah, and this is her. You should just show people this.
I will, yeah.
That's the book.
That's the book, eh?
That's Ruth's first book, and
Oh.
that's translated into 20 languages.
Wow.
Yeah, and she's just come
Oh,
back.
very cool, eh?
Yeah, pre-Christmas she just went to Germany on 2 weeks in Germany. So these are quite well-known books.
Yeah.
And then she's got all the other bits and pieces, of course.
Well, how special. I'm going to have a good look around.
You do that, and mind your head as you go in the kids' bookshop. It's a very low.
Oh, don't worry. I'm vertically challenged at the best of times.
Yeah, leave your helmet on. It's a very low door, isn't it?
What a cool spot.
Oh no, she does a great job. Well, her husband Lance has done a lot of the sort of. And she got lots of nice little knick-knacky bits. Will you be able to drop your bag so you're not hanging all in?
Well, we're going to wild camp for a night and then come back the next day, so we'll keep all our bags.
That's a hell of a lot of weight.
Ah, well, this is you that's gone over Wilmot Pass.
Well, I was showing you bits of Wilmot Pass, so I'll do it backwards. This is the tunnel tail race for the power station. This is all at.
So this is what I'm going to be doing tomorrow.
This is Deep Cove.
Yeah, brilliant.
I'll go backwards for you. Well,
This is Lance, and Lance is the owner of this place, sir.
No, Lance is the husband of the woman who owns it.
Okay, well, that's the same thing, innit? But nice to meet you, and what a gorgeous place. I got told to come and
Thank
see
you.
it, and now I'm here. And
Lovely.
look, I get to meet, so it's your wife that's the author.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
fabulous. She's,
Well, it's completely changed this place.
yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Has it put Manapouri on the map?
It helps.
Philip, thank you for talking to me.
thanks. All
And
the
it's
best.
been a pleasure. Philip's just shown me where I'm going tomorrow because he's done that ride last year with his son. So, yeah, quality. And I'm not going to tell you that he's 76.
7.
77! Even better! Bye, Philip. What a wonderfully, truly nice man that Philip was. He's just one of those guys that you just go, what a nice chap. And he's just, I've been there 20 minutes chatting to that guy. He's showing me where we're going. He rode over Wilmot Pass with his son last year. And he's told us it's going to be magic. It's a bloody great ride. So I'm so glad we're doing it. Anyway, I'm looking for my hotel. It's somewhere along here. I think this is me. Look at this good looking lad here. Beauty. Hello. Awesome. Well, I've still got funny lumps in my head and I've had my hair cut. Suppose you can't wear a helmet all day long and not get funny lumps in your head, can you? Well, this is the night. And I'm just waiting on my friend to catch me up. I've not told you who it is yet, have I? It's a surprise.
It's me, Ali P, from last year's videos. I've arrived in Manapouri. Now I need to find Russ. Better not be up these steps. Maybe I should dump the bike and go find him. See if I can capture it on video. Oh, maybe it's one of these. Yes, it is. Ooh. Is this gonna be Russ? Is that number 502? Let's have a look. I got you!
I know what it is. Hi.
Hi!
Welcome home, Ali.
I did it! I made it!
Look, she's got her shoes trying to sneak a sneaky peek at me.
I got you!
Oh, wicked.
Oh,
So it's Ali. I haven't told you who it is that's coming to meet me, but it's Ali from last year. Woo! Crazy Ali. Oh, so nice to see you.
oh.
Mwah, so nice to see you.
Oh, it's so good to be here.
Oh God, Crazy Ali's back. What the fuck are we gonna do now?
Go to Dabble Sound.
Well, there you go. The surprise is over. It's Ali from my TA trip of last year. How long did we ride together for last year?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks, probably more. 2 to 3 weeks we rode together for last year. From an encounter over a picnic bench to say, let's paddle the Wanganui River together. And that started from there, and that was brilliant. We had a fantastic time. She's a super good crack, as you all know, because you know her. Hey up! The dynamic duo is back! We're in full glorious Technicolor, coming to a cinema near you. It's a long time since I've had to video you riding past me.
I know I might break the screen. Camera.
Anyway, we're going out for tea. So, probably, see you all tomorrow. We've got a bit of catching up to do.